Okay, guys, Oklahoma City Thunder versus Orlando Magic. Let's have a prediction. So, good evening, guys. Ayan, tinalo tayo sa over 250 natin last time. We have lost, but we won on the money line for the Bucks. Pero masakit pa rin kasi I got the bomb bet on the over 215. I didn't expect that ganun ka grabe yung magiging depensahan. Pero ayan, so it is what it is. So let's keep moving here. Thunder versus Orlando Magic. Standings. Thunder 20 wins and 5 losses for the Thunders. Magic 17 wins and 11 losses. So ayan, we can see that in the standings, the Thunder are on a good side or from the A side. Okay, the Thunder have the advantage here. Now, spread. So, ayan yung spread. Thunder minus 6.5. Magic plus 6.5. Over and under 211.5. So, ayan, mababa na naman yung over and under. So, Thunder minus 6.5. Magic plus 6.5. Yan yung handicap natin. So, out. Baliktad. Okay. Okay, for the Oklahoma City Thunder. Chet Holmgren is still out. Nikola Topic is out. Jalen Williams is out. So for the Magic, Paulo Banchero is out. Franz Wagner is out. Gary Harris is questionable. So for the health and availability, I will side with the Oklahoma City Thunder, though they have still players that will not play. I think Oklahoma City Thunder has the edge when it comes to health and availability because man, Paulo Banquero and Franz Wagner are the stars of Magic. Na malaking bagay yan na wala sila. So, health and availability lamang talaga ang Oklahoma City Thunder. So, let's keep moving. Some helpful facts. Thunder have 7 wins in previous head-to-head clashes, 10 in previous 10. So, ayan, 7-3 pala standing nila. The Thunder won the most recent matchup between these teams. A 102 to 86 victory was registered against the Magic at Paycom Center. The Thunder have 3 straight wins against the Magic. So, ayan, 3 straight wins from the Thunder. 8 wins and 2 losses in the past 10 games. The Thunder are averaging 100. So, the Thunder, past 10 games, 8 wins, 2 losses. The Magic, 6 wins, 4 losses. So, average nila 107.2. So, ayan, with that, makikita natin na may edge pa rin itong Oklahoma City Thunder on their head to head. So the momentum goes to the Oklahoma City Thunder for this one. So let's have a decision here. Our final pick. For me, my final pick will be Oklahoma City Thunder minus 6.5. Why? Because of the given facts that they have their momentum against the Magic 7-3, and they won 3 of their last 3 games. So ayan, win streak sila against the Magic. And the other thing is, ito yung mas mabigat, ah wala si Paulo Banquero and Franz Wagner. Malaking bagay yung dalawang yun. Haharap ka sa pinakamalakas na team sa West nang wala yung yung dalawa sa pinakamagaling mong players. So, I think that's a really big factor. That's why I pick Oklahoma City Thunder minus 6.5. Again, Oklahoma City Thunder minus 6.5. That's my prediction for this game. Peace out. Ay, oo nga pala, special reminders, magpapasko na. Yung iba nabigyan na ng SRI, PEI, and other bonuses, Christmas bonuses. Please lang guys, wag nating isugal lahat yung ating pinaghirapang bonus. Magtira tayo para sa pamilya, magtira pa tayo para sa Christmas, para maging masaya yung Christmas natin. Unahin muna natin yung bills bago tong sugal. So, much better, unahin pa rin natin kung magbibigay tayo ng papasko, unahin natin yung mga papasko bago tong sugal. So, that's all. That's all. Payo lang. And peace out.